Standard PCB or HDI PCB, they may look similar, but they differ greatly in structure, performance, and application scenarios. Standard PCBs are traditional circuit boards. They use plain through holes to connect layers. With through holes and white lines, they have low density, simple manufacturing, and low cost. They are widely used in industrial and general electronic products. HDI means high density interconnect. It uses fine traces, small spacing, and micro-wires, blend and buried holes. HDI boards have high wiring density, better signal transmission, and smaller size. They are widely used in smartphones, high-speed communication, and other high-end devices. In short, standard PCB is suitable for many stable and cost-effective designs. HDI is better choice when your board needs smaller size, high density, and complex routing. If you are not sure which structure fits your project, send us your Gerber files. Our engineer team can support DFM review, PCB fabrication, component sourcing, and PCB assembly.